In this lecture, we are going to look at data governance roles, and there are 3 levels of roles that we need to know about. Those are strategic, managerial, and operational. For this lecture, we are going to analyze these 3 roles by looking first at who carries out these roles and then what the role entails. So when we're looking at the strategic level, we're specifically thinking about the C-suite. The C-suite includes senior leadership, such as the CEO, the CFO, the COO, the CPO, etc., etc. And as we've discussed before, it is the C-suite that is responsible for creating and approving strategy and policies. Now, underneath the C-suite, we have our data owners and business leads. These are typically the managers or directors for the respective business functions throughout the organization. And when we're thinking about data governance roles, we're thinking about those folks that are going to be responsible for different data assets. And the managerial role is responsible for satisfying and fulfilling data consumer requirements. Finally, the 3rd level down is the operational role, and this consists of data stewards and subject matter experts, or SMEs. And again, these are going to be the data stewards or SMEs for the respective domain or business function throughout the organization. And these are going to be the individuals who are responsible for the day-to-day data management. These are also the individuals that are closest to the data, and therefore, these are typically the folks who understand and can communicate the data's use and value. In this lecture, we went over data governance roles. The 3 that you need to remember for the exam are strategic, managerial, and operational. As far as your strategy for the exam, you definitely want to know what the 3 roles are for data governance. You should know the who and the what for each of these as well.